Hello YouTube, you're welcome to Dark Code of Technologies, and please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment so you get our updates. So today I'm going to be showing you how to build a database or a table in a database in the MySQL Workbench. So we are going to be creating a database for our customers, and we're going to give it a table, or create a table and we're going to name it customer information, and the customer or each individual customer is going to have an ID, a name, the age, maybe the good he or she wants to purchase, and also the address. So to get started with this, we're going to go straight to the SQL right here, or still here you can go to new model, but we're just going to go straight here to create SQL. And our first line of code is we're going to create the database, and we're going to name it customer, and we're going to run this line of code. So right here you can see it's giving us this tick because we've successfully created that. So now we're going to use our created database customer, and we're going to run this line of code. So use customer, good. So right here now we're going to create a table, create table. We're going to give it the table name, we're going to give it customer info. And in our table we're going to be giving it a series of we're going to first of all give our customer an ID, which is going to be an integer, and we're going to give our customer a name, which is going to be a voucher. We're going to give it a length of 50, we're going to give an age, and this is going to be an integer, and we're going to give it, that's okay, the goods you want to purchase. We're going to give it a voucher. I'm going to give it a value of the length of 50, and lastly we're going to create the address, still a voucher. We're still going to give it at 50 as a length, and I think we're cool to go right here. So we're going to run this line of codes, and right here you can see create table customer dash 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 dash. So right here what we're going to do is we're going to type this line of code, select, then you star from customer info. I'm gonna run this so as to view our table. So right here you can see our table is empty, so we have an empty table right here. So right here there are two ways in which we can insert some details to our customers table. So the first way is either I do it through coding, so I'm going to go to insert into customer info, and right here I do this, and here I'm going to type values, And right here I'm gonna first of all start with the first one, which is the ID, and comma, the name, not capital letters, name, followed by the age, followed by the good, followed by the address, and right here we're gonna first of all insert the ID, which is 1. So let's give an ID of 1, and we're gonna put the name. Let's give it a name of, let's say, Brian, and sorry, we're gonna put this in a curly brackets. So we're gonna give it a name Brian. We're gonna give a goods that's the age now, so we're gonna give it 23. And now the good, we're gonna give it, let's say, bread, love bread, Lord. So here we're gonna give now the address, which is still a vast. We're gonna give it, let's just say, Cameroon. And I think we're good to go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attributes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's run this line of code and see what it gives. So right here, insert data that has been added. So how do we know? So we're going to go to select as a star from customer info, and I think if I run this line, it's going to give us something. So from here you can see my ID is 1, Brian, name, age, code, and the address. So right here, I'm just going to go right here under the schema. I'm going to refresh this, and right here I have my customer, and here's my table. So if I should right click on this and I go to select row, so this is the second method of adding into our database. So right here you can see, so it's very simple. So that's very easy and good to go. So right here you can decide to reset or sort columns, refresh here, and I think that is pretty good. So we're gonna go back to our right here. If you want to insert more of this data, you can just go copy this line of code, paste right here, and you can change the name to Brian. Right, I can run this. So successful. So you can just copy, you paste, you change this to Joel, and run this line of code. It's gonna go. So if we should copy this line of code still and paste right here and run this to display our table, we're going to see we have this Brian, well, Joel with the same ID. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make this ID to increment, so you won't have the issue of duplicate IDs. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Love you guys. See you.